How to see your password on YouTube. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. There is no option to see password on your YouTube, so simply open Google Chrome. You will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three dots located at top right corner of your screen. You'll find all these options pop up. Click on Settings. Then go to Google Password Manager, which is below Search Engine. Then you'll find all these accounts. Simply scroll down till you find YouTube. Click on YouTube and then you will be able to see your password. Simply click on I like button. Then you'll be able to see your password of YouTube. This is how to see your password on YouTube. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.